At Forever Paws Animal Shelter, our mission is simple: place these valued animals in loving homes. Forever Paws Animal Shelter, giving animals a new leash on life.
Okay, so it's been a couple days since the last video I did on this Ampeg, and decided to make another video. I was gonna demonstrate the dirty tone and throw it up over on channel 2, and basically discovered that there seemed to be a little bit of a voice coil rub in the speaker that came with this. Now, the speaker that came with this was not an original speaker. It was a Eminence something or other from 1977. And yeah, should have been a good speaker, I mean, if it was in good shape. But like I said, it's got a little bit of voice coil rub, and we're going to have to do something about that. Actually, the customer said he already has a speaker he's intending on putting in it anyway, so that should be okay. But I did want to go ahead and demonstrate the distorted tone of this, and we're going to check it out. We're going to check it out by going through the 412 cab that's down here. You guys may have seen that in some of my other videos. It's a Fender 412 cab, and it has, I think, Eminence speakers in it as well. So let's check it out. So yeah, the tone on this is all the way up, and the negative feedback control is all the way up, which means that the negative feedback is at a minimum. I could actually clean this up. Let's see. Okay, that's with the negative feedback. Shit, hang on. Let me do that one more time. So that's with the negative feedback all the way up. The control's all the way up, but the negative feedback itself is at a minimum. Let's try it with the negative feedback control all the way down, which means that the negative feedback itself is going to be at maximum. The tone control right there is all the way up, and the volume control is on 6. If I dime that volume control out, even with the negative feedback at a maximum, we're still going to get a lot of crunch out of this thing. Now it's with the negative feedback control all the way up again. So everything is dime. Negative feedback controls all the way up. Volume and tone are both also all the way up. Anyway, yeah, as you can see, this this little rocket is a killer amp. I mean, if you want clean tones, you can back off the volume. You can even leave all the controls up and still get good clean tones if you back off the volume. Well, you get the idea. Very cool amp, very versatile amplifiers. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe down below. Also hit the bell to receive all notifications. And for now, y'all take care.